It's a fully straight pipe M45. That's what it sounds like before. Fully straight pipe. Catless and everything. He's hating it because it's too loud now. He can't put up with it no more. So we're gonna change it up, give it a cleaner, deeper tone. This one sounds decibels before. Go ahead. Right at 109. But you hear how loud it is? He wants that out. So we're gonna put some full bore JFPs on it. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so this Infiniti M45 lowered all these fine details on this beautiful car. Got the 4.5 liter V8, I think. Let me show you guys what we've done to it. You can see they did this at home. They deleted the secondaries there and there. Not the best job you can see, but it works. They got primary converters still on it. I don't know, they probably gutted them out. I don't know. Anyways, then this is where we started a while back. We did an X pipe on it. And it was fully straight pipe before, but he's like, I can't take the sound no more, especially after he gutted the cats. So he brought it in and he said, let's put some JFPs, 2.5 full bore mufflers on it right there. JFP full bore right here and right there. All right. We expanded them to 2.5. They were 2.25, but we opened them up to a 2.5. So you can get these in 2.5 also. All right, there they are. And then 2.5-inch continues on each side, out the back into his dual tips to finish it off right there. And then we did that whole system and we just keep adding to it and cleaning it up, refining the sound more and more. So we let you guys hear it with the straight pipes. You're ready to hear it with the full bore JFPs. Stay tuned. He wanted it loud, but clean up the sound. So tell me if this made a difference. It definitely made a difference on idle. You can hear idle. Idle is right around 73. Go ahead. That's a lot cleaner. Sounds a lot cleaner. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 102, 103, around there. Again, rev it high. So much better. That's clean. That sounds so clean. Let you guys hear on the inside. M45 2007, fully decked out with full bore resonators. Put you guys something different on the channel. I like to let you guys hear almost just about anything that's out there. you go. Enjoy, guys. Double header for you.